Hello my dear sons and daughters. Today we are going to discuss a revision paper for grade 8. So you can do the revision paper before I am doing the discussion. Part 1, first question. Find the 125th term of the number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have to find the common term of this number pattern. That means the general term first. 2, 4, 6, 8. The general term of this number pattern is 2n. So we can find the 125th term by substituting 125 for n here. That means 2 into 125. That is 250. That is the 125th term. Then second question. Find the value of 3x plus 4 when x is equal to 2. How to find that? The algebraic expression is 3x plus 4. We have to substitute 2 for x here. 3 into 2 plus 4. That is 6 plus 4 equal to 10. This is the answer. Third question. Find the value of A in the given figure. In this figure, all the marked angles are exterior angles. So we know that exterior angle sum of any polygon is 360 degrees. So you can write the equation A plus 130 degrees plus 135 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So here sum is 265 degrees. That is equal to 360. You can find A by subtracting 265 from 360. That will be 95. Question number 4. Lebanon is situated in +2 time zone and Sri Lanka is in +5.5 time zone. Find the time in Lebanon when the time in Sri Lanka is 17 hours 30 minutes. So we'll find the time difference between Lebanon and Sri Lanka. Lebanon is in +2 time zone. Sri Lanka is in +5.5 time zone. So there is a gap between 3 hours 30 minutes time difference between the two countries. So we are given the time in Sri Lanka as 17 hours 30 minutes. So we have to subtract 3 hours 30 minutes from this time to find the time in Lebanon. 17 hours 30 minutes. You have to subtract 3 hours 30 minutes. Then here the answer will be 14 hours. This is the time in Lebanon now. Question number 5. Write 2 into second power of 2 into 3 as product of powers and find the value. So how to do that? Question number 5. We are given this. Second power of 2 into 3. Then you can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, if you expand this 2 into 2, the answer is 4. Here 3 into 3, there is 9. So the answer will be 36. Question number 6. Find the highest common factor of 4x, 8xy and 24xyz. 4x. First we will write it as a product of factors here. this can be written as 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 1. Then 8xy can be written as 2 to the power 3 into x to the power 1 into y to the power 1. 24 xy z. We will divide 24 by prime factors. 2 times 12, then again divide by 2, 2 times 6, then 2 times 3, 3 times 1. So you can write it as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into x to the power 1, y to the power 1, z to the power 1. So HCF is equal to 2 to the power 3. We are taking the highest power. Then x to the power 1, sorry, there's 3 here. 3 to the power 1, x to the power 1, y to the power 1, z to the power 1. That is 24 xy z. That is the answer. Question number 7. O is the center of the circle given below. First question, shade the minor segment. What is the minor segment here? This one. We can shade like this. Then name the longest chord. Longest chord is the diameter, that is AB. So answer for the second question is AB, that is the diameter of the circle. Question number 8. Simplify. You are given directed numbers to simplify. Plus 3 minus 5. Here subtraction of a negative number. So you can convert this into addition and do the simplification. Plus 3 plus then the sign of the second number changes. If you convert this into a addition, that becomes plus 5. Then the answer will be plus 8. Question number 9. If the statements given regarding the Platonic solids are correct, mark it as a tick, and if incorrect, mark it as a cross in the boxes provided. First one, all the faces are identical. That is correct. In all Platonic solids, all the faces are identical. The number of faces and the number of edges are equal. That is incorrect. If we take an example of cube, cube has 6 faces but it has 12 edges. So that is incorrect. Third, the number of faces and the number of edges meet at the vertex are equal. If you select one vertex, the number of faces and the number of edges meet are equal. That is also correct. So first one correct, second one wrong, third one again correct. Question number 10. The area of a square flower bed is 121 square meters. First question, find the length of a side. To find the length of a side, you have to take the square root of 121. That is 11. So the length of one side is 11 meters. In second part, find the perimeter of the flower bed. That is square shaped flower bed. Because of that, all the lengths are equal. If one length is 11 meters, you can find the perimeter by 11 into 4. That is 44 meters. Question number 11. Write the order of rotational symmetry of each of the following figures given below. First figure is a rectangle. In a rectangle, we have 2 symmetrical axes. Because of that, order of rotational symmetry is also 2. Then in second one, that is a regular hexagon. The order of rotational symmetry is 6. Number 12. Niman spends 15% of the salary for his children's education. If he spends 17 1,500 rupees for the above purpose. Find his salary. If we take the salary as x, x into 15 over 100 is equal to 17,500. So you can find x by multiplying this 17,500 by the reciprocal of this fraction. 100 divided by 15. So you will get the answer as 116,666.67 rupees. This is the answer. Question number 13. The mass of sugar stored in a container is 5 ton 400 kilograms. Find the total mass of the sugar stored in 7 such containers. You have to multiply the sugar in one container by 7. Tons, kilograms, then 5 tons, 400 kilograms, that should be multiplied by 7. 7 times 0, 0. Then 7 times 4 is 2,800, but you can't keep 2,800 in this column. You have to take 2,000 kilograms into the tons column as 2 tons. Then 7 times 5 is 35, 35 plus 2 is 37. This will be the answer. For 14th question. The set A is given as prime numbers less than 10. First question, list out the elements of the set A. When listing the elements, we have to write it inside the curly brackets. What are the elements? Prime numbers less than 10. The first prime number is 2. Then 3, 5, 7. So you have to write like this. Second question, find NA. NA means the number of elements of A. There are 4 elements, so NA equal to 4. 15th question, find the direction of P from O. First you have to find the angle between the south direction and the OP line segment here. That is 40 degrees. So you can write the direction as now. The direction of P from O is S 40 degrees east. South 40 degrees east. That is the answer. Question number 16. You are given to solve this simple equation. X over 2 equal to 3. So you can multiply both sides by 2 here. X equal to 6. That is the answer. Question number 17. When preparing a sweet, sugar and flour are mixed in the ratio 2 to 3. And flour and butter are mixed in the ratio 3 to 1. If 200 grams of sugar is used, find the mass of butter used to make the sweet. First we will find the common ratio of the 3 quantities. Sugar, then flour and butter. These are the quantities used to prepare the sweet. The ratio between sugar and flour is 2 to 3. Then the ratio between flour and butter is given as 3 to 1. So easily you can write the common ratio here because the amount relating to the common term here is equal. So you can write the common ratio as 2 to 3 to 1. Then you can take the relationship here. There are 7 terms in this ratio. So 2 over 7 of the mixture. 2 over 7 of the mixture is equal to 200 grams. 200 grams. So we have to find the amount of butter. 1/7 of the mixture is equal to 200 grams divided by 2, that is 100 grams. Question number 18. The total surface area of the cuboid is 220 square centimeter. Find the height of x. So you can write the equation relative to the area as 5x multiplied by 2 plus 10x multiplied by 2 plus then 50 multiplied by 2 equal to 220 square centimeter. Now you can easily simplify by taking 2 out and then dividing this 220 by 2. That will be 5x plus 10x plus 50 equal to 110. Now we will simplify this. Here 15x. Then we will take plus 50 to this side. 110 minus 50. That is 60. 15x equal to 60. Then you can find x, the value of x, by dividing 60 by 15. That is 4 centimeters. This is the answer for the 18th question. Question number 19. Underline the answer which includes the polygons that can be used to create PO tessellations. For PO tessellations, you can't use a regular pentagon because in a tessellation, the sum of the angles around the vertex point should be 360 degrees. You can't get 360 degrees if you take a regular pentagon. So first answer and second answer you can remove that. Then regular hexagon, square, triangle, that is the answer. Regular octagon also you can't use that. Third answer is the correct one for this. Then question number 20. In a bag there are 3 red balls, 2 blue balls and 5 yellow balls which are equal in size. Find the probability of a ball being taken out randomly. Is a blue one. The probability of taking a blue one is 2. There are 2 blue balls. The number of balls in the bag is 10. So 2 over 10 is the answer. Then second one is a red or a yellow one. There are 3 red balls, then 5 yellow balls. The sum is 8. So 8 over 10 is the answer here. First question. The following stem and leaf diagram shows the number of students from different schools who visited Dehiwala Zoo on a certain day. First question. How many schools visited the zoo on that day? If you count the total data, you have 21. So 21 schools has visited. First question. First part, 21 schools. Second question, find the range of the distribution. The largest value here is 79 minus minimum value is, maximum value 79, minimum value is 45. So the range is 34. Third question, what is the mode? The data that has been occurred most number of times is 66. Mode is 66. Question number 4. Write the number of schools which more than 50 students visited as a fraction of the total number of students and write it in the simplest form. More than 50, there are 14 schools here. So 14 over total number of schools is 21. So if you simplify this, the fraction is 2 over 3. Last question, question number 5. Hence show that the percentage of the school which more than 50 students visited is more than 65%. You have to denote it as a fraction. Multiply by 100%. Then 200 divided by 3. 66 and 66 2 over 3. This is more than 65%. Question number 2, A part, we are given a fraction to simplify. A part, first question, 2 over 5 multiplied by 1, 7 over 8. The first thing is you have to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 over 5 multiplied by, then 8 times 1, 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 over 8. Now we will remove the common factors, 5 times 1, 5 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 4. Then the last answer is 3 over 4. Second question, how many pieces of rope of length 1.5 meters can be cut from a rope of length 9 meters? You have to divide 9 meters by 1.5 meters. This is the way. 9 divided by 1.5. First we will convert this into a improper fraction, that is 3 over 2. Then we will take the reciprocal by converting this into a multiplication, that is 2 over 3. Then 3 times 1, 3 times 3. Then the answer will be 6. You can cut 6 pieces from that. Then B part, the diagram shows a rectangular lawn ABCD. A turf is laid on the shaded area. Find the area of the lawn ABCD. First you have to find the area of the lawn ABCD. For that 12 multiplied by 5.8. Decimal multiplication. When doing a decimal multiplication, you can neglect the decimal point first and then multiply the two numbers and then keep the decimal point after that. 58 multiplied by 12. Then the answer will be 69.6. The unit is square meters. Second question. Find the area of the find the turfed area. That means the shaded area here. For that we can do like this: half into 6 into 5.8. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Again you have to multiply 5.8 by 3. And the answer will be 17.4 square meters. In third question, how many times is the area of the rectangular lawn as the turfed area? For that you have to divide 69.6 by 17.4. First we will remove the two decimal places here. 696 over 174. Now you can simplify this. First we will divide by 4. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. 4 times 4. No, not divisible by 4. Let's divide by 2 first. 87. Now we'll divide 348 by 87. 87 times I'll take 80. 87 times 3. 87 times 4. Yes. 87 times 4. So this is the answer. 4 times the lawn area is 4 times larger than the turfed area. That is the answer. Third question, A part. Remove brackets of your given expression. We will do it. Uh, 3 times 2a plus 5b. You have to multiply the terms inside the bracket by the number outside the bracket here. So 3 times 2a is 6a plus 3 times 5b, 15b. This is the answer. Second question, write 15p cube minus 25pr as a product of two factors. What are the common terms here that you can take and out? Common factors, 5 is common, then p is common. 5 times p I can take and out. Then here 3, q. Then minus 5 r comes inside the bracket. These are the two factors. One factor is 5p, the other factor is this one. B part. There are X number of books that worth 35 rupees each and 5 books worth 30 rupees each in a parcel prepared as a gift. The value of 2 such parcels is 580. Build up an equation using the above information. X number of books that worth 35. So you can take 35 times X plus 5 books worth 30. Then 30 times 5, that is 150. This cost 2 such parcels. So you have to multiply this expression by 2. Cost 580. So this is the answer for the first part here. B, first part. This is the equation that you can construct from the given information. In second part, find the value of x by solving the equation. Here when solving this, first you can divide both sides by 2. First divide both sides by 2. Because the bracket means the multiplication. This expression inside the bracket is multiplied by the number outside the bracket. 2 and 2 you can remove. 35x plus 150 equal to, divide this by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then for 18, 2 times 9. 290. Now take this 150 for the other side. 35x equal to 290 minus 150. 35x equal to 0, 4, 140. Now to find x, you can divide 140 by 35. 7 times 5, then 7 times 2, 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 is the answer for x here. Question number 4, A part. In the diagram, the straight lines PQ and RT intersect at A. PAT angle is 130 degrees and RA is 90 degrees. First question, name a pair of supplementary adjacent angles. In a supplementary adjacent angles, the sum must be 180 degrees. So we can take PAT angle and PAR angle. That is one pair. PAT angle with PAR angle. Then there's other one. TAQ with QAR. There are others also, not only these two pairs. Then second question. Find the value of SAQ. SAQ angle. RAS is 90 degrees here. So PAT angle and RAQ angle are vertically opposite angles. Then RAQ angle value is 130. RAQ angle value is 130 as they are vertically opposite angles. So we want SAQ. Then easily we can find the value of SAQ by subtracting 90 degrees from this. That is 40 degrees. Then third question. Giving reasons, name an angle equal to PAR. For PAR, PAQ is an equal angle because they are vertically opposite angles. That is the reason here. As vertically opposite angles, they are equal in magnitude. Then B part. This is part A. Find the values of x and y using the information given in the diagram. X and x they are equal in the triangle. By using the interior angle sum, you can write 2x plus 70 equal to 180. Then 2x equal to 110. Then x equal to 55 degrees. Then how to find y now? By using the quadrilateral, the interior angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. By using that you can find now. Now you are knowing the value of x. Y plus 90 plus x is 55. 60 plus 110 equal to 360 degrees. Y plus here the sum is 200, then 260 is the total sum, equal to 360. Then y equal to 360 minus 260, that is 100. This is the way we are finding x and y according to the given information in the diagram.